The Qualcomm Robotics RB5 kit, with its powerful computing architecture and comprehensive connectivity, has been opening new horizons for robotics applications. But what if you could further enhance the RB5 kit's capabilities and find more ways to innovate? Well, we at Econ Systems have some exciting news for you. We're launching a complete range of multi-camera solution for the Qualcomm Robotics RB5 kit. While the RB5 kit from Thundercom provides a solid foundation for robotics applications, you will need an advanced vision solution to leverage the full potential of this RB5 robotics kit. So whether you're building drones, delivery robots, or autonomous shopping, Econ Systems has developed an innovative solution that bridges the gap and empowers the RB5 kit with robust multi-camera capabilities. This multi-camera solution allows you to connect up to 6 cameras. The cameras can be either MIPI or GM-SL2, or a combination of MIPI and GM-SL2. This gives you the flexibility to choose the interface of your choice. What's more is our extensive portfolio of high-quality cameras is fully compatible with the RB5 kit. We have the perfect camera for every application, from Full HD to 20MP, from global shutter or rolling shutter, monochrome or color, HDR and LFM, and low light or NIR. Our time-of-flight camera series is also compatible with the Q-RB5 kit, providing accurate 3D imaging. And it doesn't stop there. Besides providing an onboard ISP, we also go the extra mile by fine-tuning and optimizing Qualcomm's ISP, including auto exposure, auto white balance, HDR, ultra-low light, color reproduction, and noise reduction according to your requirements. As market pioneers, we offer multi-camera support as well as complete vision solutions. It includes cameras, SOM, carrier boards, and required software for Qualcomm's powerful QRB5-165 processor. So with Econ Systems, you're not just getting cutting-edge camera solution, but full product solution to accelerate your product development. So wait no longer to unleash the full potential of your RB5 kit. Buy and evaluate from our web store by clicking the link in the description. Skyrocket your product development efforts with Econ's extensive multi-camera support.